Abigail Beichler, our Director of the Domestic Department here at JC Law. This month, our firm wants to talk to you about the upcoming changes in divorce law in the state of Maryland. Now, as you may or may not know, divorce law is changing on October the 1st of 2023. The Maryland State Legislature has passed a bill that does away with many of our current grounds for divorce. Our firm wants to help you in understanding how those changes may impact you in a case that is currently pending or in a case that you're thinking about filing. As of October the 1st, 2023, 5 of our current 8 grounds for absolute divorce will be abolished. We will only have 3 grounds, and they will be non-fault-based grounds. Now, you may ask yourself, how does that impact me in a situation where my spouse has contributed to the downfall of our marriage? And the reality, as we'll talk about in our webinar on September the 27th, is that those things are still considered. Those arguments are still valid, but they're made for other points. At the current time, we have 8 grounds, as I mentioned previously. Those include fault-based grounds, such as cruelty, excessively vicious conduct, and adultery, things that you typically see on television. Now, we're going to focus on bringing 3 grounds to the forefront, which should really increase the ease with which Marylanders can seek and obtain an absolute divorce in this state. As of today, there are 2 types of divorce in the state of Maryland, absolute and limited. And those stem from common law practices that have been instituted for hundreds of years. Moving forward, there will only be an absolute divorce. It will be a full and final conclusion of your marriage and not what we currently call a limited divorce, which really is tantamount to a legal separation. Limited divorces are fairly complicated to get and really don't conclude your matter in the way that typically you're looking to resolve it at the time that you seek the services of our firm. Absolute divorces allow you to encompass all aspects of the litigation and to bring those to a close in the approximate 9 to 12 months that those cases take in the state of Maryland. Moving forward, the grounds for divorce will be mutual consent, which is currently a grounds for divorce and is related to the services that our firm can provide in terms of marital settlement agreements and helping put the parameters in place to achieve those grounds. 6-month separation, which is a notable change from our 12-month separation grounds currently, and irreconcilable differences. As we'll explain in more detail in our full webinar at the end of next month, irreconcilable differences is a brand new ground to the state of Maryland. We don't currently have anything like it, and the court and litigants will be learning what that means and what grounds will satisfy that burden. If you'd like to learn more about the grounds and how divorce law is changing in the state of Maryland on October the 1st, please join us for our full webinar video where we will explore the changes from the current law and the new grounds going into effect and the services that our firm can provide you most efficiently moving forward.